This slide gives you an overview of our product offering. As you can see, iLabber is specifically designed to meet the needs of small and mid-sized R&D departments, typically up to 20 users. iLabber is free for personal use and it's very easy to get started. It takes about 10-20 minutes to set up your own shared work group, invite the users, and create the projects. For the larger companies with multiple sites and also existing databases that need to be integrated with the ELN system, we recommend ConturELN, which is our enterprise product. iLabber is based on ConturELN, so ConturELN is simply the product that you install on your own servers, and you have your own IT team that takes care of backups and maintenance and so on. We also offer a smooth and cost-effective migration path between these solutions, so you can start out with iLabber and then you can eventually migrate into your own ConturELN environment if that's required.
Over the years, we have had a fair amount of feedback from customers who reports back that the benefits of using ELN is really significant. Scientists save a lot of time using the system. Less time is needed for recording the experiments, and that is usually thanks to the function of cloning previous experiments, to have prepared sections that you can reuse, and to have templates which structure your experiments better. But you also save a lot of time by having a better overview in the project teams, and very often temporary short reports can be replaced by either ELN records or by copy pasting from the ELN records into technical reports. Everybody agrees that documentation quality increases dramatically. Both the use of templates, which give the experiments a better structure, the simple but very important fact that all the records are readable and transparent to the organization, they altogether improve the documentation quality. From an IP perspective, records are promptly archived because it's so easy to do it the proper way, which decreases the risk of losing records, and you really get more compliant in, for instance, signing and countersigning your records. Rather than having a weakened IP due to the use of electronic records, we see a very clear tendency that we have stronger evidence in future IP disputes, because it's easy to follow the records. We see that everything is transparent, that the originals are nice, we don't have any lost notes, no dry glue, no fallen out printouts, and the standards for the record keeping have increased in all cases that we have seen so far.
We have reached the end of this presentation. We hope that some of this information can be useful and maybe can serve as input for your own ELN project, whether you are looking at implementing ELN for the first time or looking at replacing an existing solution. Before I finish, I would like to summarize what we have been talking about, and I would like to start by saying that over the past 7 years we have really seen the benefits of having one solution. It's optimal for collaboration, it's optimal for knowledge sharing, and it's optimal from a cost point of view. However, and you need to be very careful about this, having one system for all disciplines is not the same thing as having one system for one specific discipline. So the enterprise ELN need to be based on a very flexible architecture. This is crucial to minimize dependency on the vendor and your in-house IT staff. You don't want to have a situation where users are calling you all the time and need to get help with creating new templates or modify existing templates. The third point is that IP protection need to be part of the same package. You cannot afford to have one solution for the chemist, one for biology, and then a third solution for IP protection. From the user's point of view, they want to have a unified environment where they can record their experiments, share information with colleagues, and also where they can manage IP protection and compliance. And finally, I would like to say that don't forget about ease of use. This is really critical in an ELN project. Don't forget that ELN is an everyday application that needs to be rapid, it needs to be reliable, and it needs to be up and running 24/7 with minimum downtime. Okay, thank you for today, and I hope to see you soon and be able to discuss your ELN requirements. Thanks, bye.